Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download Vivado software from an authentic website of the Vivado software. So first of all you need to Google the Vivado in your Google Chrome and you have to click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, we need to create an account. So I am assuming that we are, we are registering for the first time in this website. So we need to click on the login register tab. In this we have to create the create account tab. Now in this I have to put my name, so always write your correct name whatever your name it is. And in the email part you don't need to write an email for your corporate, you can just write your Gmail, whatever Gmail you have. The limitation of writing a Gmail is that you won't get access to the technical support, but you will get all the things which are required if you want to learn the software, about the software. And next we have to write about the location, so it is India, and then we have to create the captcha. After doing this step, my account would be created and I will get a code on my email account. So after submitting this, I need to open my email. There I will get a access token. So I got an access token here. I need to copy this access token from the Xilinx and paste it here. And I also need to create a password for my account. Again confirm the password, and now my account is been activated. Now the next step would be how to download the software. Now for that I need to again open the Google Chrome and write here Vivado. Now in the download section I need to go to the download section, and in that section, now the next step would be after opening the download I need to again log in using the login register ID which I have just created. Okay. Now after getting logged in I need to again go to the Google Chrome tab and type Vivado. In the Vivado, I need to go to the download section. So when I will click on the download section, I will get to the access of which version I want to download the Vivado software. So I already have 2017 version, so I wanted a new version, so we can download any of this version. For example, like if I want to download a 2020.2 version, I can click on that. So after clicking on this 2020 version, I need to search for the installer file. So when I scroll down I will get this installer file. I need to click on this link. As soon as I click on this link, a new tab will open where I have to again enter my details. So we can enter the name of our institution in the company name. In the address section we can just simply give our address, but the important thing is not that we have to, in the job function we have to give the name as student. So after we complete this information we will click on the download button and install the downloading. So I have clicked on the download button and the file is been started to download. As you can see, it will take some 20 seconds for my download to be completed. You can see here. So I need to go to the download section and wait for my file to be get downloaded. As soon as this file will get downloaded, we have to extract it. So my download is complete now. I need to extract it. So I click on this downloaded file and it has been started to extract. So I have clicked multiple times, that's why it has opened many times. I need to close all of them. Now my file is about to extract, and next I will tell you the steps which are required to install and download this software. So it is a very simple steps which are followed after this step. So now the setup file is started. First of all, it will ask the Windows Defender tool. I need to allow access to that. Now since it is taking time, lot of time, so after extracting, this file will be open, and it is simply setup file. I need to click the next bar, and here I need to enter my email ID and password. So the email ID and password are same that we created now, and after clicking that, there are two options as you can see, that is download and install now and download image. So we will click on the download and install now button, and then we will wait for the next step. So after entering my ID and password, there are many options. In this we have to click on the Vivado options, the second one, then next, and in this one we have to click on the HLS design edition. So after this step we will remain it to the default options, but if you want to install for any other board, there are many other boards also available in the engineering sample devices. So I will keep it to the default options only. Next, then we have to click on this button, I agree for all of this thing, and next our software will install. But we need to make sure that, see, since this software download size is 30 GB and I don't have in my C, so I can change the location to D drive also, because I already have a Vivado software 2017 version installed in my PC. So again it is having not enough space. Now I will, so now as I already told you, I have a Vivado software of 2017 version, so I am just installing it for the upgradation purpose. So the size required to download the software was 100 GB, but I did not have 100 GB in my memory. So I turned back to the menu option and I deselected this ultra scale and ultra scale plus option, which are not that critical for basic applications. So I have only selected these two options, and now I will do the next part. Now since before it was 100 GB, now it will be little bit less, and I have also let us see how much it would be. So now it is 73 GB is required, and I have 95 GB. So I need to click next, and the download start. So it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete the download. So we will meet after the download is completed. So now when the installation is finished, it will require around 30 minutes depending upon your computer. So now we need to obtain a license. So for that we can go to the license status, and we can see all the licenses which are available. So now we need to download the license for our software. For that we need to go to the Google Chrome and enter here license and product Xilinx. When we click on the first link, and also make sure that you are logged in for that. So here I have to go to the free evaluation product, free evaluation product, and click on this link, and I will again log in. So after login, I will get the option to download the free license which is available for the software for the learning purposes. So now after logged in, I have to again click here next. I have to make sure the job function is as a student, and when I click next, I will get all the licenses which are available with the free version of this software. It's taking time. See, after getting the product licensing, now I have to download this one. Vivado Design Suite HL Webpack 2015 and earlier licenses. I have to click on this thing. I have to download this one because it does not contain Node and it is good for learning purposes. Now they will ask here next because there are no Node next, and I will get a message that I have already got this license. So this license file will be mailed to me in my mail. So for that I need to open my mail, and I will get a license file from the Xilinx. Now I'm waiting for my mail to open. Now I need to see in the Xilinx notification you will get this file, you need to download it, and as it is downloaded I need to go back to the Xilinx Vivado. First make sure that it is downloaded or not. It is not yet downloaded, I think so. The net is slow. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Now when it is downloaded I need to load this license, so I can copy the license from the download menu. Where are my downloads? Documents and downloads. So this is the license file which I have here downloaded now only, and I will install it. Now you can see the my license installation was successful. Now if you look at the license status, you will be able to see that, see I got this above 4 license. I got the HLS license permanent, and I got the all these licenses I got. Now we can, now after adding the license file you can close this tab, license manager, and you can see there is an icon of 2020 present on my screen. I also told you that I also have a software of 2017 version which is available before. So I got two softwares now, two versions of the software. One is 17 version and one is 22 version, 2020 version. So I need to click on that, and I can verify that my license is issued or not if my synthesis and implementation part are done in this software. So I can use this using a code. Now I have already created video to how to create a project and proceed with the simulation waveform and the synthesis, which you can see in the description box. So here we can start to create the project, or we can open a recent project. So I hope this video is clear. In the next videos I will also show you how to do the synthesis and the implementation part, and I already created a video to how to create a project and write a Verilog code and how to perform the simulation of that project. Thank you for watching my video.